Guys, and welcome to yet another Python tutorial. So today we're going to be making a maze game in Python. Alright, so first we're going to have to make our model because this is going to be 3D. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Blender. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I have a maze, but I want to show you guys how to do it, so let's redo it. So let's make a new file and just put it as general. Now press delete on your keyboard to delete your square. Now Shift A. Now once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and add a plane. Now I'm going to want to make this thing bigger, way bigger. Oh, jeez, messed up. Okay, so you press S and you can scale it up. Okay, I think that's good. Now press 7 and it'll go to your top-down view. Now you're gonna go to edit mode. And I'm gonna go to the one right here. Now, right click on it and press subdivide. I'm gonna click that a few times. I think this is good. Okay, now we're gonna click right here. And then we're gonna start our maze. You could choose your own, but when you're done, you're gonna wanna press 1 and then E. And then you just drag that up as tall as you want. I want it to be about this tall. Here goes the entrance, and then, yeah. Okay, so this is our maze. Yeah. So when we spawn, we might spawn in the middle of the maze, and we're gonna have to go to the beginning ourselves. So we're gonna go to from Ursina. Import. From Ursina. Dot prefabs dot first person controller, and then we're just going to put import, and we're going to put the little star in the corner. Okay, now app dot Ursina. Okay. Now we're gonna put main. Oh, by the way, when you're saving the maze file, just save it as a regular Blender file. And it's gonna do this. Dot equals entity. Now I'm gonna put model. Equals maze. And then inside here we're gonna put maze. Dot. No, I want to go here and add text. I want to add a texture. Okay, so we're gonna put texture equals And right here, I guess I'm just gonna put grass because for some reason I have a bunch of textures strewn all over my desktop. Okay, I'm just gonna put grass. Okay. Now I'm gonna scale it up to 20. We're gonna set our collider as mesh. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do first person controller again. App.run. And I'll just test it out. Now I'm gonna save this as I don't know. Just save it as whatever. And then should run. Oh, if it ever says that, that's because we accidentally put dot. We're supposed to put app equals or something. Okay, there. Now let's run. Okay, what just happened? Oh, when I set the collider as mesh, I messed up. There we go. Now let's just fix all our problems. Now let's try it. If it's not working out for you, then there's one thing that you can do. So we're gonna delete first person controller, just that one, and then you put editor camera. I think that, yeah. Now run start debug and I'm, yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the editor's camera. Right click to move to turn around the thing, and zoom in and zoom out. Alright, and for the, the maze game, if you want to keep the first person controller so you could play it, then this is the code. There we go. There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.